In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Figma, one of the most basic but essential skills you'll use every single day as a designer. Whether you're working on a UI mockup, a website layout, or even a simple graphic, understanding how to select, modify, and style text properly will make your workflow faster and your designs more polished. Let's get started. First, open your Figma file and locate the text layer you want to edit. Text layers in Figma are easy to spot. When you hover over them, your cursor turns into an I-beam, just like in any text editor. Click once to select the entire text layer, or double-click to go into text editing mode. Once you double-click, the text becomes active and you can start typing immediately. If you're editing text inside a component or an auto layout frame, the behavior is the same. Just double-click the specific text element to activate it. If you're working with a UI kit or template, you might see that some text sits inside nested groups, but double-clicking always drills into the exact layer you need. Once you're in editing mode, you can replace the text, delete it, or paste new content. Everything updates instantly, and Figma automatically adjusts spacing if auto layout is enabled. This is especially helpful for buttons, labels, or cards because the frame will resize itself based on the new text length. Now, let's talk about styling. With your text layer selected, not editing but selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all your text controls. You can update the font family, font size, weight, line height, letter spacing, and even text alignment. Figma gives you the same level of control you'd find in professional typography tools, but everything is lightweight and easy to adjust. If you want to change the color of the text, scroll to the fill section on the right side. Click the color box to open the color picker and choose your shade. You can pick from the palette, enter a hex code, or use shared styles if your design system has predefined typography colors. Another great feature is that you can convert your text into auto width, auto height, or fixed size. Auto width keeps the text in one line and expands horizontally. Auto height expands vertically and wraps text naturally, and fixed size locks the text box so lines wrap inside a fixed width. These modes make a huge difference when laying out cards or multi-line labels. And here's a bonus tip. If you're editing text inside a component, Figma allows overrides. That means you can change the text freely without breaking the component structure. But if the text layer is locked or part of a restrictive component, you might need to detach the instance to edit it fully. Once you're satisfied, just click anywhere outside the text box or hit escape to exit editing mode. Your changes are instantly saved thanks to Figma's autosave, and that's all you need. Select the text, double-click to edit, use the right sidebar to style it, and let auto layout or the frame adjust around your changes. Text editing in Figma is simple, intuitive, and incredibly powerful once you get comfortable with all the controls.